Hello guys, I'm back again. Looks like still the VMAX on the lift because even though the carburetor job was done earlier and on the test ride when I was on the road, this shakes ridiculously bad. Very bad. It's just very dangerous to be on the road with. So I just decided to go. I'm going to lift it up and see what's going on. Where is the loose? Most likely this bearing has some loose. A lot of forum and people who has VMAX for a long time, they're always complaining about this bearing lock nuts. So I'm just going to lift it up, take the wheel out, and also I see some difference between the two rotors. Looks like the left side is much more worn out, even the inner side and the outside also. But the right side disc is looks nice and smooth. But the other one, I think we have a problem with the brake caliper. I think it's always holding it. I don't know, but I'm gonna take a look what's going on over there. And also I found out a little problem with left fork leg. The fork leg was done by another professional because he said that the fork seal was replaced, but I just saw something. The dust seal is not sitting completely into the fork leg, so I just wanted to tap it back gently, but I wasn't able to, so I just removed it, and looks like who did the job on the fork seal didn't put that little seal clip, but is actually holding the seal in place. So the seal is actually, one side is still holding, but the other side is like off at least 3-4 millimeters. So it's just crooked, and that's why it's losing fork oil. So I'm just gonna most likely have to take off that leg, and I'm gonna take it apart and put it back normally. And I'm gonna check the oil level. And also that was replaced and refurbished only one side, and only the left side, not the right. So I was always recommend to do both. Right now I'm just gonna start taking apart the front end. So yeah, so and this is what I was looking. Okay, what is this big gap over here? Something not good. So I wanted to put it back, but since it didn't, I wasn't able to put it back. So I just took it out. That was like very easy, just like right now. Took it out, and this side of the seal clip, the holding clip, is just completely out. One side is still in, but this side came out, so the seal is not straight, sitting in a position, just in a crooked shape somehow. So I definitely have to take the oil out and reinstall it again. So I'm just gonna take this out and I'm going to take it apart. I had to buy fork oil because that was less oil in it. It was not the right amount and not the right quantity. So I had to go buy one. Since I don't have the impact gun with me, usually if I use the impact gun, it's very gently, absolutely very gently tied it. The guy who did it, there was so much tight, I was barely able to lose it. So right now I just hand tied it like this, and then when I'm gonna put back to the place, I'm able to after tight a little bit when you know actually the triple tree is going to hold it, so I'm able to tight a little bit more, but you don't have to go crazy. Alright, so I'm just gonna put it back and tight it more. Usually I use this tiny screwdriver. I'm gonna lose this a little bit more, and I'm able to put this here so it opens a little bit, which is good enough to put it back nice and easy. The top of the fork is flat with the upper tree. All right, and then I'm just gonna after tight this top point. Oh yeah. That's it. So now I'm going to do the second one. And also, yeah, this one that was not cleaned at all, so it was very dirty inside. That was basically the oil was just drained, changed the fork seal, so changed the fork seals, so, and then that was just filled up with oil. It was not cleaned inside, it was very dirty, so I cleaned it. So I'm gonna do the same thing with the other fork, and I'm gonna put it back, and I'm just gonna do another test ride, see how it runs. I'm gonna do the rest of the work, try not to make the video too long. So if I'm able to do the third video, that's gonna be maybe a little test ride. I'm just try to enjoy the bike if it's possible. So we'll see how it feels, how it runs, and I'm just gonna put on a GoPro and see how it looks. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like, and if you like what I'm doing, just subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Peace out.